What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. A couple of weeks ago I was out in the parking lot busy practicing on refining my skills, and I decided it was a great idea to do a little something stupid. That's right, boys and girls, I decided it was a good time to try and practice my wheelies on the big boy. However, this is something that I'm obviously not very well suited at, and I kind of picked the bike up a little bit too far. So I've pretty much damaged the entire back section of my bike. I've managed to order some new plastics, and today we're gonna be installing them. So this is the big boy airbox, and that there, that is the size of the intake inlet. Mighty stupid if you ask me. Alright, boys and girls, well, that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for this video, so I do hope you enjoyed watching it. I need to say a huge thank you to Redbeard Riding Academy, the sponsor of today's video, for supporting this channel. Those guys are so passionate about motorcycles that they offer such a wide variety of services. From novice lessons to license prep lessons, they even offer advanced street, track, and wheelie school. They even have a motorcycle service center where they will maintain your motorbike to keep it in tip-top performing condition. To top it all off, they're even offering a promotion to any of the viewers who have already utilized their services. All you got to do is check the links in the description to go to their social media post, comment what it was that you used them for, and go and leave them a review on Google before the 1st of September in order to qualify for a R150 discount voucher for any of their other services. Otherwise, if you haven't used them already, they are really great at what they do. So check out the links in the description below, go and check them out, and make yourself a better rider today. I need to say a huge thank you to my patrons over on patreon.com. Without your guys' support, a lot of the things that I do on this channel wouldn't be possible, and every little bit goes a long way. If you want to gain early access or even exclusive access to some of my content, check out the links in the description below, become a patron, and help support this channel. You guys are really awesome, and I really appreciate you watching. So give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you've hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any more of my future videos. And remember, life is going to throw a ton at you. But whatever it does, don't look down. Look ahead. And until next time, ride safe.